Welcome back. Before we begin, YouTube tells me that over 85% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. If you enjoy content like this, hit that subscribe button. It's free and it helps the channel grow.
से सबको बुलाए यशोदा के लल गोपाल प्यारे मनमोहन सबके द्वारे हरे कृष्णा हरे मुरारी.
Did you know that over 900 million people worldwide celebrate Janmashtami every year? From midnight prayers to breaking pots of curd, this isn't just a festival lit as a divine celebration that unites millions in devotion and joy. But how much do we truly understand about it? Janmashtami marks the birth of Lord Krishna, the 8th avatar of Vishnu born to restore Dharma and destroy evil. Celebrated at midnight, it symbolizes hope in darkness. From India to the US, Mauritius to Fiji, people welcome Krishna with music, dance, and deep devotion. But here's the challenge: in the flurry of festivities, do we pause to reflect on what we're truly celebrating? For many, Janmashtami is about fasting or dressing up children as Krishna, but why these rituals? There are also misconceptions that Krishna was only a prankster, or that his birth is just another myth. Understanding Krishna means delving deeply into the Bhagavad Gita, Leelas, and symbolism, not just surface-level rituals. Let's decode the traditions. Fasting symbolizes discipline and detachment, tackling Krishna's teaching in the Gita. Bhajans and kirtans awaken the soul, just like Krishna's flute did in Vrindavan. Raslila dances celebrate divine love and the eternal bond between Krishna and Radha. Dahi Handi isn't just fun, it recreates Krishna's childhood mischief, reminding us that even the divine played like us. These customs aren't random, they're stories in action, connecting us to a higher consciousness. Picture this: a dark prison in Mathura. A cruel king, Kansa, was waiting to kill his sister's 8th child. At midnight, the chains fall off, the guards fall asleep, and baby Krishna is born. The Yamuna parts, and Vasudeva walks across carrying the newborn to safety. This isn't just a story, it's a metaphor for overcoming fear, darkness, and destiny itself. Krishna wasn't just born, hope was reborn. Janmashtami is more than rituals, it's a reminder of the eternal light within us. Through customs and stories, we celebrate Krishna's wisdom, love, and playfulness, qualities the world needs now more than ever. How do you celebrate Janmashtami? Drop your stories in the comments. And don't forget to check out our other videos on Indian festivals to uncover the meanings behind the magic. Jai Shri Krishna.
Still watching? Awesome. If you're getting value so far, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. Let's bring that 13% up to 100%.
तीर लीला दिखाए, मखान चुराए, सबको हंसाए.